Cognitive disabilities may occur on their own or result from a variety of conditions or injuries, such as traumatic brain injury. They may also co-occur with other types of disabilities. Examples of cognitive disabilities include intellectual disabilities, reading and dyslexia, math and computation or dyscalculia, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder or ADHD, autism, autism spectrum disorder or ASD, nonverbal learning disabilities. Intellectual disabilities are characterized by significant limitations in intellectual functioning, reasoning, learning, problem-solving, and adaptive behavior, which covers a range of everyday social and practical skills. Note that definitions vary depending on the country. Intellectual disabilities in some countries are called learning disabilities in others. It is estimated that between 1 to 3% of the global population, or about 200 million people, have an intellectual disability. Reading disabilities may include an inability to perceive text or to process the meaning of words, phrases, and ideas. The disability may result from a congenital difference, injury, delayed development, or neurological or physical disability. It is estimated that between 5 to 10% of the population has dyslexia, but this number could also be as high as 17%. Math and computational disabilities impact a person's ability to learn and communicate mathematical concepts. Dyscalculia involves an inability to understand arithmetic and how to calculate. An estimated 3 to 6% of people have dyscalculia. This disability can be complicated by dysgraphia, an inability to draw or copy figures and graphs, and by anxiety. Attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD, is a developmental disability characterized by inattention, hyperactivity, and impulsivity that affects approximately 11% of the population. Autism, autism spectrum disorder, or ASD, constitutes a diverse group of conditions related to the development of the brain in approximately 1% of people. The abilities and needs of autistic people vary and can evolve. While some people with autism can live independently, others have severe disabilities and require lifelong care and support. Nonverbal learning disability. People with normal intelligence and language development have trouble with social skills, sensory input, and transitions. Some signs of nonverbal learning disabilities are great vocabulary and verbal expression, excellent memory skills, attention to detail but missing the big picture, poor abstract reasoning, concrete thinking, poor coordination, trouble adjusting to changes, anxiety, depression, and low self-esteem. Studies estimate around 1 in 100, or 1% of children in the United States, may have a nonverbal learning disability.